All right, let's talk about building a career in computers. If you're looking at all the options out there and feeling just a little bit lost, well, you've come to exactly the right place. We're going to help you draw a map. I mean, seriously, BCA, BTech, MCA, PGDCA. It feels like you're drowning in this alphabet soup of acronyms, right? It's probably the #1 point of confusion for so many students just trying to figure out what to do next. But hey, don't worry, our whole goal here is to just cut right through all that noise. We're gonna lay out a simple, really clear guide to help you make sense of it all, and most importantly, choose the path that's right for you. Okay, so let's dive right in. The journey for most people kicks off right after high school. And this is your first big fork in the road, you know? The moment you choose that foundational bachelor's degree that's gonna set the entire direction for your career. So this table pretty much lays out your main choices. On one side, you've got your 3-year degrees. That's your Bachelor of Computer Applications, the BCA, and the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. These are amazing for getting straight into building software, web development, that kind of thing. Then on the other side, you have the more intense 4-year engineering degrees, your BTech and your BE, which dig deeper into things like computer science engineering or information technology. And here's what it really boils down to. That 3-year path, that's your most direct route to mastering software applications and coding. Think of it like this. It teaches you how to be a brilliant driver. The 4-year BTech and BE degrees, they go way deeper. They teach you how to actually design and build the car's engine. That path is really for folks who want to get into things like systems architecture or some serious research and development. So you finished your bachelor's degree. Awesome. Now what? Well, for a lot of people, the next step is to specialize, to really take their expertise up a notch with a master's degree or some other kind of post-grad qualification. And this is pretty much the standard playbook. You finish your undergrad and you use that degree as a launch pad. From there, you can jump into a master's program to really dig deep into a specific area, whether that's with a Master of Computer Applications or a Master of Science. Now, looking at the master's options, your choice really comes down to your end goal. The MCA, or Master of Computer Applications, is a big, comprehensive program. It's fantastic for developing high-level software skills, even project management. Your MSc is a bit more research-focused, perfect if you want to dive into the theoretical side of things, like AI or algorithms. And then the MTech, that's a pure specialization for the engineering grads, designed to make you an expert in a super specific field, like cybersecurity or embedded systems. This chart just spells it out, doesn't it? You can see right away how the MCA stands out as a 3-year course. So what's with that extra year? Well, usually it's because an MCA covers a much broader range of application-focused topics, and that often includes management and business skills, which can be a direct path into leadership roles later on. But what if you graduated in a totally different field and now you want to make a quick pivot into the tech world? That's where something like the PGDCA comes in. It's a 1-year postgraduate diploma, and it's perfect for getting this intense, concentrated dose of computer skills without having to commit to a full 2- or 3-year master's degree. Okay, but let's be real. Not everyone wants or needs a multi-year degree. If your goal is to get into the field fast, or maybe you just need to pick up one specific skill, there are way faster routes you can take. See, these shorter courses are all about being practical and super targeted. You need to learn Python for a data science job? Yep, there's a course for that. You want to get a network certification to become a systems admin? You can absolutely do that. It's all about getting very specific, job-ready skills and getting them now. And here's the real kicker, the speed. We're talking about diploma and certificate courses that can take anywhere from just 3 months to maybe a year. It's an unbelievably efficient way to pick up skills that are in super high demand. So there you have it. We've looked at the deep, foundational degree journeys, and we've looked at the fast-track, skill-based courses. Now, it's time to kind of turn it back to you. Based on where you want to go, your timeline, what you're passionate about, what's the right path for you? You know, I think this quote just says it all. The first step to getting anywhere is deciding you're not going to stay where you are. Just by watching this, by exploring your options, you've already taken that massive first step. So now you have the map. You can see all the different roads, the expressways, and even the scenic routes that lead to a career in computers. The only question left is the most exciting one of all. Where will your journey begin?